Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video I will show you how to apply the affiliate program on Amazon. Hi guys, so if you want to join the Amazon's affiliate marketing program, then here's how to do it. So you want to tap in this link right here, which is affiliate-program.amazon.com, and it will redirect you to this page right here. So you want to sign up for Amazon Associates. So Audible's affiliate program is integrated with the Amazon Associates platform. You want to visit the Amazon Associates site, so this one right here, and tap in sign up. So you want to sign up with your email or phone number and whatever prompts that they need. So within your Amazon Associate dashboard, if you're done already signing up, look for Audible specific promotions if there's no separate sign up needed. Once your account is approved, you're automatically eligible to promote Audible membership and audiobooks. You wanna Next step is you want to get approved. So this one typically will be like within a few days after you'll get approved. So Amazon usually reviews your application and grant access within 2 to 3 business days. After that, you can now create your Audible affiliate links. You want to use Amazon tools like Site Stripe, link builders, banners, and widgets to generate affiliate links for Audible free trials. So, Gold or Premium Plus memberships, individual audiobooks, or gift membership. So, you want to understand also the commission structure. So, here are like the basic stuff after you've got confirmed or approved by your sign up to join the Audible affiliate program on Amazon. And that's it on how to sign up or join the Audible affiliate program on Amazon.